Today, we are going to deep dive to a strategy that can change your career, your influence, your income, and your online presence. Because in today's online world, if your digital presence is not there, it's almost equal to you don't exist. Let's change that with elegance, intention, and authenticity. What is the online presence? Let's begin with the basics. Online presence is how you show up digitally through LinkedIn, Instagram, and your website, your Google result, even your WhatsApp profile photo. Your digital image is your first impression before you even walk into the room. And guess what? It gives you 24/7 visibility. And guess what? It can work in favor of you or against you. So let's learn to tune how to make it your personal ambassador. Now, why does your online presence matter? The recruiters check your LinkedIn profile before you even have a word with you. Clients Google you before they even trust you for their money. Even relatives and potential partners will look you up. Your online presence builds trust before the meeting, authority before the interview, and magnetism before the pitch. In the world full of noise, your clarity and consistency becomes your currency. Let's see the 7 pillars of strong online presence. Let's get strategic. These are the 7 pillars you must work on. Number 1, profile photo. Your profile picture should radiate confidence and approachability. Dress like your goal and not like your past. Number 2, professional bio. Craft a 3-line professional bio that says who you are, what you do, and who you serve. Number 3, you have to optimize your LinkedIn. Don't just say software engineer. Instead say problem solver, AI enthusiastic, helping business scale. Mention all your achievements and qualification in description. Fill in every section your education skills and make sure you have few endorsement. Add a photo that reflects your personal brand. Show up weekly with valuable posts. Number 4, your content strategy. Your content must do one or more of below. Educate, inspire, showcase your skill set, and inspire with your story. Start with 1 post a week. Consistency matters more than the perfection. Number 5, your engagement ethics. Be generous in giving likes and thoughtful comments. Respond gracefully to all DMs and be a giver. It always circles back. Your Google presence. Google yourself and what shows up. Control your digital narrative. Consider creating a website for your vote. There are a lot of ads through which you can update your website and post your technical expertise. Having a website for yourself will always contribute to your personal brand and elevate your presence. Let me share with you all a weekly plan that I give for my mentees. Every Monday, you can consider sharing something about your own personal insights. And every Tuesday, you might consider share a tip from your industry. Wednesday, comment 10 posts in your network. Thursday, update 1 section of your LinkedIn or website. Every Friday, you can share something which motives others, or you can share some achievements of yourself. Saturday, DM someone and appreciate their work. Sunday, take yourself rest, recharge, and plan for next week. This system builds visibility without being overwhelmed. Mistakes to avoid: incomplete LinkedIn profile, inappropriate photos, looking for opportunity headline instead of writing what value you can bring, sharing unrelated or controversial content, being inactive for weeks, consistency beats perfection. And finally, the emotional power of showing up. Let me tell you something personal. When I returned to India after 8 years being in abroad, I felt so invisible in India. But I showed up online with grace and with purpose. I didn't wait for permission. I gave myself visibility. Today, I run Affluent Choices and styling elite women, mentoring students and training professionals in personal branding. Your online presence is your digital legacy. If this session has helped you, then comment, I climb my online presence. DM me if you need a one-on-one coaching on elevating your personal brand. Thanks all for joining in this transformational session. Signing from you all, Sophie, a certified image coach and luxury fashion consultant and founder of Affluent Choices. Don't forget to check out my playlist on personal branding. And if this video has helped you, like, comment and share it with someone who needs this.